All right, so let's dive into this whole meme coin thing.
Okay.
Especially with them like exploding on all these different blockchains now.
Yeah.
It's not just like Bitcoin and Ethereum anymore, right?
Right.
We've got Solana, BNB Chain,
Yeah.
and who knows what's coming next.
Yeah, it's a fascinating evolution.
Yeah.
We're seeing this surge of creativity across chains, and it's presenting some interesting challenges,
Oh, for sure.
for those who are trying to keep up with everything.
Yeah, so picture this. You've got like your favorite meme coins, but they're scattered across different wallets, different platforms.
Yeah.
Talk about a headache.
Oh, yeah.
It's like trying to manage like multiple personalities,
Mhm.
but for your crypto.
That's a pretty accurate analogy. And it's precisely the problem that Av.ai claims to solve with their new platform.
Okay.
They're aiming to tackle what they call the multi-chain dilemma.
Oh, multi-chain dilemma.
Yeah.
That sounds serious.
Yeah.
What does that actually look like for like the average meme coin enthusiast?
Yeah. Well, imagine you're, all excited about this hot new meme coin on Solana,
Okay.
but all your funds are sitting on BNB Chain.
Hmm.
In the past, this meant like a complicated dance of switching between platforms, transferring funds, double, triple checking addresses.
Oh, yeah.
Avid.ai wants to simplify all that.
So no more wrestling with like 5 different wallets just to trade one meme coin?
Yeah.
That sounds amazing.
It's certainly ambitious.
Yeah.
We've seen platforms like Photon and GMGN try to address this, but they typically only support a single blockchain.
Okay.
Av.ai is aiming for a truly unified experience,
Okay.
what they call unified portfolio management.
Unified portfolio management.
Yep.
What does that actually mean for somebody who's like juggling investments across Solana and BNB Chain?
Think of it this way. You log into Avid.ai and boom,
Yeah.
you see all your meme coin holdings,
wow.
regardless of which blockchain they're on. You can track their performance, manage your assets, and even execute trades across different chains from that single dashboard.
So it's like having a universal remote control for your meme coin portfolio.
That's the idea.
Yeah.
And this type of consolidated approach could be a game changer,
Really?
especially for those dabbling in various meme coins across different ecosystems. It saves you time, reduces complexity, and frankly, just makes the whole trading experience a lot less stressful.
I can definitely see the appeal.
Yeah.
Less stress, more time for hunting down those hidden gem meme coins, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
And speaking of finding those hidden gems, Avav.ai claims that their multi-chain interface also opens up enhanced market opportunities.
Okay, enhanced market opportunities.
Yeah.
That sounds promising.
Yeah.
But I need specifics.
Sure.
How does having this wider view actually translate into better trading decisions?
Think about it.
Okay.
If you're only looking at one chain, you're only seeing a tiny slice of the meme coin universe.
Okay.
With Av.ai, you get a panoramic view. You can spot emerging trends across different blockchains, see where the innovation is happening, and maybe even get in on the ground floor of the next big meme coin before it explodes.
So instead of chasing pumps on one chain,
All right.
I can be more strategic.
Right.
Look for patterns.
Yeah.
And maybe even anticipate the next big wave.
Precisely.
Okay, cool.
And this broader perspective allows you to be more selective, potentially avoiding those meme coins that are just hype with no substance.
That's good.
Yeah.
This is all starting to sound pretty exciting, but I have to ask,
Yeah.
isn't there a risk of spreading yourself too thin? Like if I'm trying to keep tabs on multiple chains, won't I miss out on those quick, decisive moves that meme coin trading often requires?
That's a valid concern.
Yeah.
And it's where Av.ai's emphasis on a streamlined user experience comes in.
It's okay.
Their goal is to provide all the information and tools you need to make informed decisions quickly and efficiently.
Okay, I'm intrigued.
All right.
Let's say I'm sold on this whole multi-chain approach.
Yeah.
What kind of like concrete benefits can I expect in terms of actual trading?
Well,
Like, for example, Av.ai talks a lot about improved liquidity.
right.
How does that actually benefit the average trader like me?
Okay, so liquidity in simple terms is how easily you can buy or sell an asset without causing a huge price swing.
Okay.
Imagine you're trying to sell a rare limited edition trading card.
Okay.
In a small town, it might take months to find a buyer willing to pay a decent price. But at a massive convention, there are tons of eager buyers and sellers.
Yeah.
So you can easily find a fair deal.
Okay, so a platform like Av.ai acts like that massive convention,
Yeah,
bringing together meme coin buyers and sellers from multiple chains.
exactly.
That makes sense, but how does that translate to like actual benefits?
So imagine finding a promising meme coin on Solana,
Hmm.
but there's hardly anyone buying or selling it on your current platform.
Okay.
You place a sell order and the price plummets because there's not enough demand to support it.
Oh,
That's slippage.
yeah.
Getting a worse price than you expected because of low liquidity.
Ouch, yeah. I've definitely experienced that painful slippage before.
Yeah.
So is Av.ai claiming to solve that problem by aggregating all these different meme coin markets?
Exactly. By connecting these markets across chains, Av.ai is aiming to create a much deeper pool of liquidity.
Okay.
This means smoother trading, less slippage, and the ability to execute larger trades without causing massive price fluctuations.
That's a pretty powerful advantage.
It is.
But let's be real, meme coins are inherently risky.
Yeah.
Doesn't trading across multiple chains just add another layer of complexity and potentially even more risk?
It's true that diversification doesn't eliminate risk entirely,
Yeah.
but just like spreading your investments across different asset classes,
Okay.
trading meme coins on various blockchains can help mitigate those risks.
So it's all about not putting all your eggs in one basket.
Exactly.
I'm starting to see how this all ties together. But before we go any deeper into risk management, maybe we should take a step back and talk about like the specific blockchains that are attracting all this meme coin action.
Okay.
The article mentioned Solana and BNB Chain as being particularly popular. Why do you think that is?
Well, each chain has its own unique features that are drawing developers and users alike.
Okay.
Solana, for example, is known for its incredibly fast transaction speeds and incredibly low fees.
Wow.
Yeah.
So we were talking about Solana being known for its speed and low fees.
Yeah.
That sounds pretty appealing,
Yeah.
especially for meme coin traders who need to move fast.
Absolutely. Low fees are a huge draw, especially for smaller transactions, which are pretty common in the meme coin world.
Yeah.
Plus, those fast transaction speeds can make a big difference when you're trying to get in on a hot new project before the price skyrockets.
Right. Nobody wants to miss out on those massive gains because their transaction got stuck in blockchain traffic.
Exactly. Now, BNB Chain has its own set of advantages.
Okay.
It's closely tied to Binance,
Yeah.
one of the largest crypto exchanges out there.
Right.
This gives projects built on BNB Chain a lot of visibility and potential for growth.
So it's like having a built-in marketing machine.
In a way, yes. And because Binance has such a massive user base,
Yeah.
projects on BNB Chain have access to a huge pool of potential investors and traders.
That's a pretty sweet deal.
Yeah,
But it's not just about the tech, right?
right.
This article also mentioned like the importance of the community surrounding each chain.
Absolutely. Meme coins thrive on community engagement, and both Solana and BNB Chain have cultivated incredibly vibrant and passionate communities.
Interesting.
These are the early adopters, the trendsetters, the people who aren't afraid to take risks and jump on new opportunities.
So they're the ones who spot the next Doge or Shiba Inu before anyone else.
Exactly. And that's why developers are so drawn to these chains.
Right.
They know that if they can capture the attention of these communities, their project has a much higher chance of success.
It sounds like having access to these different chains through a single platform like Aave.ai could give meme coin traders a serious advantage.
No doubt about it. You're not just diversifying your portfolio.
Yeah.
You're diversifying your access to information trends and opportunities.
Okay.
You're tapping into the unique strengths of each chain and positioning yourself to capitalize on the next big meme coin wave.
I like the way you think.
Thanks.
But let's get back to Aave.ai for a minute.
Sure.
They emphasize something called risk diversification.
Right.
How does spreading my meme coin investments across different blockchains actually reduce my risk?
Remember that analogy about putting all your eggs in one basket?
Oh, yeah.
If something happens to that basket, you're in trouble.
Right.
It's the same with meme coins. If you invest everything in a single chain and something goes wrong,
Okay.
like a technical glitch, a security breach, or even just a general loss of interest, your entire portfolio could be wiped out.
So it's like a hedge against the volatility of the meme coin market.
Exactly. By spreading your investments across multiple chains,
Okay.
you're reducing the impact of any single event.
Okay.
If one chain takes a hit, your other holdings might be unaffected or even benefit from the shift in market dynamics.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
But I have to be honest, managing investments across multiple chains can feel daunting. Even for someone who's relatively comfortable with crypto.
Sure.
How does Aave.ai address that?
That's where their emphasis on a streamlined user experience comes in.
Okay.
Their goal is to make managing multiple chains as simple and intuitive as possible.
Okay.
They want to remove the barriers to entry and empower people to explore the meme coin world without feeling overwhelmed.
So it's about making multi-chain trading accessible to everyone,
Yeah,
not just the tech-savvy crypto wizards.
precisely. Their platform is designed to be user-friendly, even for those who are new to the world of meme coins and multi-chain trading.
Cool.
They want to make it easy to navigate, track your portfolio's performance, and make informed decisions.
And that's a pretty powerful thing,
It is.
especially in a space that can often feel intimidating and exclusive.
Absolutely. Knowledge is power, and Av.ai seems to be committed to empowering users with the tools and information they need to succeed in this rapidly evolving space.
Okay, I think I'm starting to grasp the big picture here.
All right.
A unified platform like Av.ai could potentially revolutionize the way we trade meme coins, giving us access to a wider range of opportunities, reducing our risk, and simplifying the entire process.
That's a pretty good summary.
Yeah.
And it's important to remember that the meme coin landscape is constantly evolving.
Right.
New chains are emerging, new trends are taking hold.
Yeah.
And those who can adapt to these changes will be the ones who thrive.
So it's not just about finding the next hot meme coin. It's about having the tools and the mindset to navigate this constantly shifting terrain.
Precisely. A platform like Av.ai could be a valuable tool for anyone who wants to stay ahead of the curve and take advantage of the exciting possibilities that the multi-chain world has to offer.
Now, before we wrap up, let's go back to the idea of enhanced market opportunities for a minute.
Sure.
What are some specific examples of how a platform like Av.ai can give traders an edge in the meme coin market?
Well, imagine you're scrolling through your Av.ai dashboard and you notice a particular meme coin on Solana that's starting to gain traction.
Oh, okay.
The community is buzzing, the price is steadily climbing, but it's not yet listed on any major exchanges.
So it's like discovering a hidden gem before the rest of the world catches on.
Exactly. Because you have access to this multi-chain view, you're able to spot these emerging trends early on, potentially giving you a significant advantage over traders who are only focused on a single chain.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah.
But how do I know if a meme coin has real potential or if it's just a flash in the pan? What kind of red flags should I be looking out for?
That's a great question, and it's one that we could probably dedicate an entire deep dive to.
Yeah.
But here are a few things to consider. So you want to look beyond the hype and see if there's any real substance behind the project.
One thing I always check is the team behind the coin.
Okay.
Are they transparent? Do they have a solid track record?
Okay.
Or is it a bunch of anonymous developers with a flashy website?
So a little bit of healthy skepticism is always a good thing,
Absolutely.
especially in the meme coin world.
Another thing I pay attention to is the community.
Okay.
Is there genuine excitement and engagement, or is it just a bunch of bots and paid shills hyping up the coin?
Right, because a strong community can be a powerful force.
Yeah.
Especially in the early stages of a meme coin's growth.
Definitely.
They can help spread the word, create buzz, and even contribute to the project's development.
Exactly. And speaking of development, I always like to see if there's a clear roadmap for the project.
Okay.
What are their plans for the future? Do they have any innovative features or use cases in the works?
Yeah.
Or is it just a meme with no real purpose?
So it's about looking beyond the meme and seeing if there's any real value or utility behind the token. Precisely. Now, all of this research can be time-consuming,
Right.
especially if you're trying to stay on top of multiple chains.
Yeah.
That's another area where a platform like Av.ai could be incredibly valuable.
How so?
Imagine having a suite of tools that can help you analyze meme coin projects,
Okay.
track their performance, assess their risk levels, and even connect you with other traders and community members.
Wow.
That's the kind of functionality that Av.ai is aiming to provide.
So it's not just about trading.
Right?
It's about becoming a more informed and savvy meme coin investor.
Exactly. It's about empowering users to make smarter decisions and navigate this complex landscape with confidence.
This has been an incredibly insightful deep dive.
Yeah, it has.
We've covered a lot of ground today.
We have.
From the challenges of managing meme coin investments across multiple chains to the potential benefits of a unified platform like Av.ai.
For sure.
We've explored the importance of diversification, liquidity, community engagement, and even touched on some strategies for evaluating meme coin projects.
Yeah.
But before we wrap things up, I want to leave our listeners with something to ponder.
Okay.
If you had to choose one blockchain that you think will be the next meme coin hotspot, Which one would it be and why?
That's a tough one.
Yeah.
It's like trying to predict the next viral meme.
Right.
Impossible to know for sure, but always fun to speculate.
Huh. Right.
There are so many promising contenders out there, each with its own unique strengths and potential.
It seems like the meme coin world is only going to get bigger and more diverse in the coming years,
Yeah,
which makes a platform like Av.ai even more relevant.
absolutely.
Yeah.
As the multi-chain future unfolds, having a unified platform that can simplify the trading experience, enhance market opportunities, and empower users with knowledge will be essential for anyone who wants to participate in this exciting new world.
Well said. And on that note, I think it's time for us to wrap up this deep dive into the world of multi-chain meme coin trading.
It's been a pleasure diving deep with you all today.
And as always, we encourage you to stay curious, stay informed, and never stop exploring. Until next time, happy trading, everyone.